Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. Today we got another awesome watch face for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. And yes, this one is free. So you know how it goes, download ASAP before free eventually becomes paid. And with that, let's check out this awesome watch face. Now, the name of it is called DGT Duo. I like the look. It has that star look to it, but this is an all-in-one watch face. This one has everything that you can want to need out of a watch face. Now, in AOD mode, you are going to get the exact same look as you would when the watch face is on, except for it won't give you the shortcuts. There's no need for it in the AOD mode. But once the watch face is on, you have everything. So dead center, you got your digital time, and no, you cannot customize this. I wish you could, because I would like to be able to make it red, blue, yellow, brown, whatever color I want to make it. But listen, it's not a deal breaker, especially considering that the watch face is free. You're going to get your calories burned, and your step info is also going to be in this little box as well. Now, going around the bezel of the watch, what you're going to get is all your shortcuts from your alarm. You can go into your settings, you got your calendar, you can make a phone call, you got your music, and also you got your heart rate information along with an AM stamp, PM stamp, and animated seconds. Yes, and it is interactive, so if I need to go into my calendar, set an event, I can. If I need to play my music while I'm on my run, I'm all good. So this is a nice all-in-one watch face, a fun watch face to have in your lineup, just in case you're just going to be chilling out for the day or for the week for that matter, and you want a casual dress down watch face. This one is going to be the one. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.